Badia Terraces. From here you can see the Dubai Creek Harbour. Hi project team, good day. Today we will check the construction update of Badia Terraces here in Dubai Festival City area, in between Dubai Creek Harbour. Yeah, as you can see, I think core walls are already built. Yeah. And you have a lot of tower cranes. Badia Terraces. This is a nice area actually. From here you can see the Dubai Creek Harbour, and you can see also the Burj Khalifa area. It's a nice skyline you can see from here. These are the existing buildings or residents. Badia also here. So that area is the Festival City, Dubai Festival City Mall. And that's Dubai Creek Harbour. Actually, this is a very quiet place, and it looks very fine to live here in Dubai. It's a nice place to live here actually. So that's it guys for Badia Terraces construction update. So columns are rising. Thank you for watching project team, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel project team, and comment if you want some areas to be checked by project team for construction update. And guys, don't forget also, if you have some time to donate and give support to project team, just check the description of this video. Description of the video, you can give your support to this channel so that we can produce a lot of videos in the future. See you on the next video. Bye bye.